When you've gotten what you want, maybe I should start over. There's nothing left to want.
Hello Adobo friends, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe at Kent the Flying Adobo. Today is a weekend here in Abu Dhabi and we are going on a staycation at Fairmont Hotel. We will try their buffet dinner and later on tomorrow we will try their breakfast. So come on and join me and let's go. Okay, Adobo friends, I got this room via booking.com for $191 a night, non-smoking, and extra large bed with free breakfast. And now let's see more of the hotel facilities. Let's go and have some cocktails first before dinner.
So this is how we make APEROL SPRITZ. Shut off.
Aperol liqueur, 45 mils. Sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine. Any sparkling wine?
Yeah, and sparkling wine. A splash of soda water.
Soda water. Adobo friends, remember I had this in Rome, and now at least we know how to make it this time. Thank you.
Aperol Spritz with love.
With love.
Now let's go for a buffet dinner at Cuisine Restaurant. Okay, Adobo friends, it is better to call the restaurant for a table reservation, and for you to save money, it's good to download Groupon app in your laptop and in your computer, as you can save 60% off on the buffet from about $39. Let's do this. So you select number of guests, for example, for one person, and then you don't need a pool access just for the dinner. and if you purchase the coupon, it would only cost you about 99 dirhams or 27 US dollars. And now let's see what are the food choices.
Buddha's Delight. What's Buddha's Delight? I think it's a vegetarian with tofu. Next, Panang Curry, Indian cuisine. Szechuan seafood. And noodles, where in Chinese we call it chow mein. Thank you. After G rice is with butter. Basha. Meatballs, I think. We have chicken. What's chicken molok? Molokya. It's chicken.
Chicken with lemon.
Lemon stuff. So, pickled chicken. Kebab. So it's an Arabic skewer. Shish kebab. What is this? Hamor.
Grilled hamor.
Inspiration ignites an invisible channel between machine and soul. Fingers become mere extensions. Hands, only servants to a vast silent source.
Chicken, liquid
I
chocolate
let go.
with strawberries, melon, marshmallow.
I lose any separate identity from this infinite.
Let us start our day with some buffet breakfast, again at Cuisine Restaurant. After breakfast, let's chill by the beach and relax by the swimming pool. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos.